we have a third type of list called descriptions. To discuss this, let's create a new subsection, description. The reason we have descriptions is because we would like to create a list of definitions or description. Following the above two formats, we'll be creating a description environment. Following the previous methods, we will be starting with the item. But here, the item takes an optional input, which is the word that we are trying to describe. The word is LaTeX. Now my entry is the description of the word, is a typesetting software that helps us write beautiful documents easily. If I recompile, nice. You see how the optional input that we give to the item is automatically highlighted, thereby distinguishing it from the rest of the definition or the entry. We can add more entries to this list. For instance, \item, say mitochondria. The only thing I know about cells is the powerhouse of the cell. Yes. Recompile. Perfect. Note that we can have the item without any inputs. If we do this, then our entry is just displayed in a new line without any bullets or numbering.